G'day guys, welcome to another Mark Makes video. Today's pretty exciting as this video is going to be in collaboration with Justin from Backyard Russia. We're both going to be making a swing seat out of recycled timber. So I've selected this pallet for mine. I'll give you a little bit more of a backstory on how I know Justin and the Backyard Russia channel. For now, let's get stuck into the video. Okay, here's the pallet I've selected. You can get a variety of shapes and sizes, but this one's fairly standard. Often there's a lot more slats on them, but I'm up for the challenge for the limited amount of timber I have. I shouldn't need too much really for this project. So first thing I'm going to do is start pulling it apart. I have made a video on 3 different ways to pull apart a pallet. It goes for just under a minute. So the link's just up here on the screen, and I'll also leave it in the description below. Alrighty, that pallet is pulled apart, so now we can see what we're working with. Yeah, there's a fair bit of timber here, so that's good. Probably use most of these lengths, and this could be good for some framework. Yeah, I'll just start marking out the design, and while I'm doing that, I'll tell you a little bit more about Justin and Backyard Russia. So Justin and I both come from large families. We used to hang out a fair bit growing up. He met his wife Anita, and she's cousins also with my wife, and they and their little family have moved to Russia. So they do videos together on Backyard Russia, primarily vlogging style, but also a bit of cooking in the kitchen. And Justin does a couple of DIY projects. So then I had the idea we could both potentially do the same project, and so that's how this came about. And we settled on using recycled timber to build a swing seat for our small children. Alright, so I've cut out the shapes for both sides of the swing. So that's what I've got here. And so the next step is going to be joining them together. But before I do that, I'm just going to give all these edges a light sand. Okay, so for now, I've got the pieces cut out for the backrest. It's going to go like that. I've done it at a slight angle outwards, so the top's going to be a little bit wider. And then I've also cut them all in half, and so that's going to allow it to follow the nice curve of the backrest here. Well, I'm happy with how it's coming along so far. So I've just got to finish off this bit here. So that's going to go there, and I've cut out all these pieces for that curve right there. So let's get going. Well, it's coming along quite nicely. The chair is really starting to take shape now, and the next thing I'm going to work on are these little armrests, which are going to sit just in here. Alright, the armrests are done. Next step is going to be building a little T-piece in here for the legs to go through. Alright, so before attaching this piece, I've just given the whole lot a rough sand, just to make it a little bit easier for me to get access to their sanding. And also at the back here, I've got some wood glue and the sawdust, and just put it in between these gaps just to close them up. So that's looking a lot nicer too, and it's come up pretty good. Alrighty guys, that is all the timber work for the chair done. I've also cut out this little handle here, and given the whole thing another sand in preparation for the varnish. So I've used an electric sander and also my sanding block. Now it's time to change the sandpaper out. So I made a video on how to make one of these, so if you're interested, there's a link just in the top right corner on how to do that. And so now that all that's done, the next step is going to be varnishing. I'm using a marine grade exterior varnish, so that should cope with the outdoor weather. So 2 coats of varnish done. It's had a chance to dry overnight, and so the next thing is going to be hanging it up. I've got these old ropes off an old swing that I'm not using anymore, so it's adjustable. I've got these clips for hanging up here, and so that's going to wrap behind the seat here. I'm going to use these to hold it up. Now it's time to hang it up. That's come up pretty good, I think. The ropes are adjustable if needed, so I can make it higher or lower. It kind of cradles the seat quite nicely, I think. So now it's time to get Bonnie and see what she thinks. Well guys, looks like Bonnie really enjoys it, and I enjoyed making this video too. Thanks Justin for doing the collab and Backyard Rusher. I'll leave a link to his video just up here and also in the description below. If you've come from Backyard Rusher's channel, thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate the support. If you like what you've seen in this channel, I've done lots of other DIY projects and other builds, so feel free to check those out. Otherwise, I'll see you again in 2 weeks time. Cheers guys.